Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be diving into all things BoxyCharm. There was a huge announcement the other day all about some major changes coming to the brand and subscription box. We're going to be going over some October spoilers, a lot of October spoilers actually, plus the entire BoxyCharm revamp and everything you can expect moving forward. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload 3 times a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, I do always link it down below, but BoxyCharm Beauties is going to be the best way to make sure you are seeing all of the up-to-date spoilers. So I post spoilers on my YouTube channel periodically, but if you really want to see them up to date in real time, that BoxyCharm Beauties link down below is going to be the fastest way to get all of the magical spoilers leading up to your boxes every single month. So I'm not going to ramble. Let's jump into all of the details on BoxyCharm 2.0. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is talk to you guys about the changes to BoxyCharm as a whole, and then I'm going to move into the October spoilers a little later in the video. I do have my notes right in front of me, so first thing we're going to talk about is the changes to the base BoxyCharm box. So in its current form, the base BoxyCharm box retails for $21. There is some taxes and fees in other states, and I know that Canada has to pay shipping, but the base box price is $21. It is 4 to 5 full-size items, and it is a retail value of over $100. In the new BoxyCharm status, the base box is going to be $25. However, instead of it being 4 to 5 products, it's going to be 5 to 7 products, and the retail value is going to go from a minimum of $100 to a minimum of $125. So the base box is going up by $4 and your minimum value is going up by $25. Personally, I don't really mind that. I do get a box sent to me in PR, but I do also purchase a box, and I do usually give that one away. But for me, seeing that increased value is more important than a couple dollars every month. With the current box, every now and then there's customization, but not often. Moving forward, after November, when this rolls out, every single month, the base BoxyCharm, you will get to pick one item in your box as a this or that, where you can decide whether you want option A or B, and that will be guaranteed in your box. As you guys know, there's also Boxy Luxe. This is every 3 months, so it is September, December, March, and June. That box retails for $50. It's $49.99, but for math's sake, we're going to round it to $50. The base box price is $21, so you get a second charge every 3rd month, where it'll be $28.99, bringing the total monthly purchase to $50. The Luxe boxes have a value over $275, and they are 8+ items. It's usually 8 to 11. This is not actually changing. The only difference is now there will be up to 3 items that you can customize in every single Boxy Luxe box. So the value is not changing, the amount of items is not changing, and technically neither is the price. So even though the base box is going from $21 to $25, instead of the Boxy Luxe being 2 payments of $21 and $28, now they're going to be 2 equal payments of $25. So the Boxy Luxe box isn't actually changing. Now to the big change, and this is going to be, I've seen it a couple different places. I've seen it as BoxyCharm Unlimited. I've seen it as BoxyCharm Premium. I'm going to call it Premium for the sake of this video because that's what BoxyCharm published. That is going to be a $175 value. It is going to be $35 a month. It is going to be 6 to 7 full-size items, and it is going to have 1 item as customization. Now, the thing that seems to be confusing, and BoxyCharm did settle this, BoxyCharm Premium is a separate subscription. So as of right now, there is no way for BoxyCharm Premium to also get a Luxe box. Dude! He comes in when I'm filming and he knocks things over. Anyway, right now, there is no way for Boxy Premium and Boxy Luxe to be connected in an upgrade. So if you did want to get the BoxyCharm Premium, that is going to be every single month, 12 months out of the year, just like the base BoxyCharm box. If you want to get Boxy Luxe, you can only do that if you have a base box subscription. Now, they are working out a way that you can get just Luxe and the Boxy Premium, but the Premium box and the base box are going to be different. I know this is confusing, and I'm going to put a graphic up right now so it makes a little bit more sense. But BoxyCharm Base Box will upgrade to the Luxe box, and the Premium box is a box in and of itself. If you want to get the base box only, you can do your $25 a month subscription. However, if you sign up now, it'll still be $21, and if you do the I pay for the entire year, it is a lower value. So you can lock in a $20 a month value if you were to do a 1-year paid subscription, which you can do now. Otherwise, it is going to go up starting November. What BoxyCharm did say, and Joe, the CEO, actually did come out and say, if you want to get the Premium Box and the Luxe Box, all you need to do is sign up for a BoxyCharm Premium subscription. And then the month the Luxe Box is coming, subscribe for Luxe and you will get the Luxe Box. I know that right now the Premium Box is limited availability. This is a beta run, so it's not a full run where everyone who wants that box is going to get it. That does typically happen with the first of anything, because they're not going to order 1 million premium boxes if nobody wants it. So it'll be like 20 to 30,000 people. I made that up, but it could be anything, just to be a test run to make sure people want it. And then however long the wait list is, usually by the second time it comes around, they've added a whole lot more boxes so that more people can get it. If you have any questions, do leave them down below. I will be making sure to check this and answer questions. But just to wrap all that up, base box going up by $4 a month, but the value is $25 more minimum a month. Boxy Luxe not changing at all except for customization. And then Boxy Premium is the new subscription for $35. It is bigger than the base box. It is kind of in between the base and the Luxe. That is also every single month. And like I said, that is a separate subscription from the BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe subscription. That was a lot. I do know that they are also going to be doing more with the Charm Room, which is where they open every couple months or every couple weeks to do discounted prices. They did run that a couple weeks ago, and that was really cool. And it's an opportunity to get things that may or may not come in a box, but still at a much more discounted price. Now to jump into spoilers. So, 2 of which I did use today. Dose of Colors recently sent me all 6 of their 5 shadow all matte palettes. I did use the Marvelous Mauve palette today for my eyes, and the formula is absolutely beautiful. There will be a full tutorial on this look coming in, I think, a week, but all of these palettes are going to be variations for the month of October, so every charmer will be getting one of these 6 palettes. I'm really excited for that because, I mean, I used the mauve one today because you guys know I love these like cool tone, plummy, mauvey purples, and I love the way they blended. And normally when I do an all matte lid, it creases in like 30 seconds, and I'm about an hour and a half in. This is my 3rd video I'm filming today, and I have no issues with creasing whatsoever. So the formula is absolutely beautiful. And then to lock it all in place, I did use the Iconic London Prep Set Glow. This is the, I mean, there's no like shade name, but this is the rosy pinky one. I did use this today, and it is how everything on the skin looks super dewy and glowy. What I love about this is there is no oil in the formula. It is just pigment. So if you like a highlighted effect, a glowy effect, but I personally have oily skin where I can't use a super dewy setting mist, this is something that I used today, and I am still glowy and dewy, but I don't look greasy and I don't look oily. So next, the 2 spoilers for customization, which was already opened. So if you're seeing this, you may not be able to get this customization now, but this setting mist was going against, I'll insert a picture, the Touch in Soul Glassy Hydrating Skin Balm. This is a lightweight glossy moisturizer to give you that glass skin effect, and you can use it under makeup or on its own. That and this were the 2 going against each other for the variations. And the other 2 spoilers, which again, if you check out the BoxyCharm Beauty's Instagram, you will see all of these. The Stay All Day Liquid Liner from Smashbox. I don't currently have it. I have had it in the past. I like it. It is not my favorite liner of all time. However, it is my favorite of the felt tip liners, or at least it was until I tried the Benefit Roller Liner. I'll have to do a side-by-side to see if that one holds up because I've never used them side by side, but that liner was a ride or die of mine for a long time. And another spoiler, which is going to be a variation, it is not for selection, but it's going against the liner, is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I have not ever tried Paula's Choice skincare, but I have heard amazing things, and as you guys know, I'm a skincare junkie, so I'm dying to get my hands on this. If I could pick one of those 2 items, it would be the exfoliant all day long. I love a good chemical exfoliant. So I hope that cleared up a lot of your questions. If it did, well, you're welcome, I guess. If it didn't, make sure to let me know down below so I can fill in any of the gaps of anything you might have missed. Just to round it all up one last time. BoxyCharm Box is going from $21 to $25. You are getting a guaranteed 1 to 3 more items, and you are getting $25 minimum more value in your box. If you want to upgrade to Boxy Luxe, it is still going to be a $50 total purchase, not really changing except for the customization of 3 items you get to pick in your box. And the BoxyCharm Premium, once again, $35, 6 to 7 products, 1 item you can customize, and different products from the base box. Whew, that is a lot. And then, just to round up the spoilers one more time, you have either the iconic London setting spray or the glossy skin hydrating balm. You are all getting one of the magical Dose of Colors palettes. Again, I used the mauve one on my eyes today. And then there is the Paula's Choice Exfoliant and the Smashbox Stay All Day Liquid Liner. I probably could have done this whole video in like a minute, but I had to ramble on and make it complicated. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!